This video is about the cryptocurrency Rollbit coin and its unique distribution. What is Rollbit token? Rollbit introduced the RLB token in a distinctive way, foregoing the traditional ICO route. Instead, they distributed RLB tokens as part of a generous airdrop to their existing users on the Rollbit.com casino and trading platform, fueling demand through the RLB lottery. Rollbit tokens play a central role in the Rollbit lottery system. To participate, holders must stake their RLB tokens, effectively using them as entry tickets for a chance to share in the casino's profits. The prize pool for this lottery is funded by allocating 20% of the daily profits generated by the casino during each round. Real utility and sustainable growth. What sets RLB apart is its immediate utility. Rollbit, already a profitable platform before the token launch, integrated RLB seamlessly into its lottery system, ensuring that the token served a purpose right from the start. As players participate in the lottery, they contribute to the token's value by utilizing it in the ecosystem, making it more than just a speculative asset. Capped supply and built-in scarcity. The total supply of RLB is capped at 5 billion coins, instilling scarcity into its design. To access the lottery, participants must stake their RLB tokens during each round. Importantly, half of the staking fee, which is set at 0.20%, is permanently removed from circulation, effectively reducing the token supply over time, increasing scarcity and price support. As each round progresses, the continuous burning of RLB tokens further reduces their availability. This decreasing supply, coupled with rising demand over time, naturally exerts upward pressure on the price of RLB. Consequently, as more users engage with the lottery and stake their tokens, the ecosystem supports the token's long-term value growth. Dear friend, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed it. Your support means a lot to us.